Managing client accounts in Vendasta is crucial for maximizing efficiency and delivering excellent service. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to handle this process so you can streamline your workflow and keep clients happy. By the end, you'll know the easiest ways to manage your clients in Vendasta and optimize your experience, so stick around. But first, you can get access to Vendasta completely free from the link below with exclusive bonuses just for you. This is a great opportunity to try out the software and take full advantage of its features. Now, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do when managing client accounts in Vendasta is to set up their profile. Go to the Clients tab, then select Add Client to start. Fill in the client's basic info, such as their name, email, business address, and any relevant notes. This is where you can get a good overview of the client and customize their profile for future reference. Once that's done, you can move forward with the next step. Next thing, once the client profile is set, you can start adding services to their account. This is where Vendasta really shines, as you can bundle different services depending on the client's needs. Whether it's reputation management, social media, or SEO tools, Vendasta gives you access to a variety of services that can be tailored to each client. To add these services, simply head over to the client profile and look for the Add Service button. Select the service, configure the settings, and you're good to go. The third thing you'll need to manage is your client's billing and payment. Vendasta makes it easy to integrate payment processing systems, so you can stay on top of your invoices. Go to the Billing section in the client's profile, where you can set up recurring payments, one-time charges, and payment schedules. This is an essential part of maintaining smooth client relationships, as billing is automated and you won't have to worry about missing a payment. Next, you'll want to track the performance of the services you've set up for the client. Vendasta provides real-time analytics and reports, which means you can check how well each service is performing. Whether you're tracking social media reach or monitoring reviews, all the metrics are easily accessible. You can customize the reports and share them directly with your client to keep them in the loop. The fifth thing is communication. Vendasta allows you to stay connected with your clients without leaving the platform. Through its integrated messaging feature, you can keep your clients updated on the progress of their services or send reminders for upcoming tasks. It's all about keeping the lines of communication open and professional. Finally, if you want to manage multiple client accounts seamlessly, Vendasta's dashboard allows you to oversee all your clients in one place. This helps you track each client's status, see which services are active, and ensure everything is running smoothly. You can easily toggle between accounts, and the user interface is designed to help you stay organized, no matter how many clients you have. And remember, you can try out Vendasta for free by using the exclusive link below. You'll get an extended free trial, so you can explore all these features firsthand and see how Vendasta can improve your client management process. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to check the first link in the description to get your exclusive free trial and start managing client accounts in Vendasta like a pro.